My E36 is equipped with a factory alarm, but currently when I press the lock or unlock button, it doesn't activate the alarm. It simply just gives me 3 chirps. Now, although the alarm isn't activating and the doors aren't unlocking, that 3 chirp is actually telling me something. When you get the 3 chirps like that, essentially what that means is that the alarm is recognizing the remote, but that one of the switches isn't set. Now, with an E36, there are switches in a few places. There's one behind the radio, there's a hood switch, and then the doors and hatch could have switches too. Now, I'm simply going to start with the hood switch because that's the easiest one to get to. I'm going to pop the hood, unplug it, and try and activate the alarm and see if it does the trick. Unplugging it essentially removes it from the system. The hood switch is going to be located on the passenger side on this frame rail right behind the headlight. To determine if this is my problem, I'm simply going to unplug the hood switch and see if the alarm will set. Now that I have the hood switch unplugged and actually completely removed, let's see if it'll arm. Fortunately for me, that was enough to do the trick. I think what's going on for me is that the hood switch is good, but it's not making full contact with the hood, allowing it to close all the way. To test that, I'm going to simply plug the switch back in, manually close it myself, and see if the alarm will arm and disarm. I wouldn't recommend having it armed when you do that. That was loud, and the speaker is right here. So let's give this a try. I'm closing it. That's the unlock button. So that's doing the trick. Simply holding it in, I can lock it, and I can unlock it. A single chirp is locked and armed. 2 chirps is unlocked. Now that I have it open again, let's see if it'll arm. And I'm right back to the 3 chirps. I think for me, I just need to mess with how that hood sensor contacts the hood, but for now, I'm simply going to leave it unplugged, because with it unplugged, the alarm sets and disarms without a problem. Here's an example of how the alarm works and arms. So on the fob, you've got 2 buttons. You've got a lock or arm button, and then you've also got an unlock or disarm button. And that's it. So fortunately for me, there's nothing wrong with the alarm system itself. Like I said, the alarm's communicating with the fob. It was just a matter of finding out which switch wasn't working. And in the future, I'll work on that contact, but for now, I'm calling this good enough. So thanks for watching.